Oil storage and double filtration inline assembly by Salim and Sons Engineering. In this video we'll show you how oil is filtered and stored in tanks, and how we have automated the whole process. So, if you want to know, watch video till the end. The oil is collected in a 250-liter storage container. Using a transfer pump, this oil is shifted to a 1,000 liters tank. Which is directly coupled with a plate frame filter for filtration process. After the oil is filtered, it collects in a small 250 liters tank. To ensure proper filtration, this tank is coupled with another filter, which filter this filtered oil and stores it in another small 250 liters tank. After that, this oil is transferred to a 1,000 liters tank. Using a transfer pump,